A device gaining attention online claims to help not only with brain development of babies, but also in turning babies to a head-first position before birth. Mobile Journal Fatima Baduria with the report.
Nasa bahay bata pa lang ang baby, pwede na raw mag-sound trip. Ang usap-usapan online, iwas suhi o feet first daw ito pag pinanganak. Effective nga kaya? This L music player has been talked about online. Aside from aiding in brain development, music is also said to be helpful in writing a baby's position to cephalic or head first. Jen used the music player for this reason.
Sa ilalim ng tiyan, after pusod, so doon siya nilalagay. Pagpatulog na ako every 30 minutes, so nung nag-ultrasound ako, ayun, umikot naman siya.
But according to Doc,
kung ang goal is to turn the position of the baby, wala pa talagang studies that will defend na it's effective.
she says babies can naturally turn to a cephalic position, especially later in the pregnancy.
Mga second trimester, kung breech ang ultrasound, okay lang yun. We just allow them na ganun ang position nila. Pero by full term, siguro mga 35, 36 weeks, kung ano yung position nila ng ganong time, less chances na naiikot sila.
Nonetheless, doctors still recommend music for pregnant women as it is helpful for other things.
May mga studies that shows na stimulus, parang musical stimulation sa baby can help with other things like brain development, pwedeng makatulong para gumalaw sila. Makakatulong siya sa mother for them to relax more.
Kapatid Fatima Baduria, we are One News.